Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a holiday beach themed set of nails at like salon speed. Really quick, simple. I think anyone could do this design. Enjoy! So I'm going to start with the nail prep dehydrator. I've already prepped all the cuticle, prepped the nail, ready to go. Once that's on, it should go nice and matte. There you go. So you know that's ready then. For the primer, pop a little bit on here. Don't get it on the skin. And you'd be doing that on every single nail. But I've already done these ones. So I'm just going to show you how I sculpt one nail. Take it off the form, place the tab on the back, open up the wings, close that end tab up, fix it nice and tight to the nail. So using the nails oval, the 08 and warm beige. Dip in my brush in, get rid of all the bubbles. I'm using high speed. Just dab in and kind of drag in. I've got to work quite fast with it being high speed, it will set quickly. And I'm starting off with the free edge first. Because if I started up here, it'd take the heat from the hand and it'd set really quickly. So I want the nail to set all together in one go. I'm just laying a really small, thin base down first, and then I'll go in and build the apex up. So this would be classed as like your 3 bead application. I'm not very good at doing a 1 bead application, so I like to do either 2 or 3, but because this is a longish nail, I'm going for 3. Again, just dragging the product down, but not taking too much of the product away from the strength of the nail. Use a little bit of product, sort out that cuticle area. Always keep an eye on the shape, make sure it doesn't fall off the edge of the form. It's not too thick, not too thin. Pushing it down using the barrel of the brush. And then you're basically just leaving that to set. When it starts going matte and it gets a little bit warmer, you'll be able to pinch it. There we go. I'm going to start to pinch it now. Obviously, if you have a pinching tool, you can pop the pinching tool on there, leave it, and then move on to your next nail. But I've only got the one to do, so. We're almost set, you can tell by the sound. That's nice. That's set, this bit's not. Pop the form off. Yay! Now for your filing. I'm gonna use the 120 file. Take off those edges. Do the side walls, free edge. I'm not going to go near the cuticle area with this because it's quite rough. I'd use the 180. Always looking down the barrel as well, make sure you're not taking off too much product off one side. Go over with the bottom block. And then I'm going to remove any imperfections and dust using pure acetone and a lint-free wipe. I'm going to wipe over that nail. So today I'm going to use Blue Reflection Glass Heart because I think they're quite good colours to go together. And I want a bit of glitter. I've got Moroccan Tan for the sand and then Snow White. Now I've sculpted all the nails out, I'm going to start my design. I'm going to do a sea, some waves, sand and a palm tree. I'm going to start with this nail. I'm going to top coat it because the design that I'm doing, I'm going to be using wipe off solution. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to do like a marble effect and I need the product to be able to move on the nail. And push up towards the cuticle, cap in the free edge. You don't want early lifting. And warm beige is a really nice cover pink to use if you don't want anything bright in the background. Like every colour looks good on top of it and you can't see the natural nail under, so it's just perfect. Pop that under the lamp for 60 seconds please. Right, so using the Neo Nails 01 brush, using Blue Reflection, I'm gonna drag the colour across the nail. Got a dish full of wipe off solution. Pop a bit on the brush and then literally start popping it on the nail. You can drag it through. Because the more you put on the brush, the more it'll take it off the nail. So you don't want to put too much on because you don't want to take loads off. But I do want it to like flow through. I want it to look like water basically. Just adding a little bit more product and then taking it off again. So I'm happy with that one. This one I'm going to do a very similar effect. I'm going to load up my brush, but I'm going to sweep it so it looks like waves crashing. It's just dead quick, easy. It'll look quite detailed when I'm done, but it'll be a really easy design to copy. Do the same on this one, just maybe a small one. And then here, going to be very similar to like this one, but I'm going to add some sand so it just flows nice. I'm just adding a little bit of residue wipe off solution. I'm going to do the same through these just to give it a little bit of texture really. I have been quite rough when I've dragged my product through because I don't want it to be a solid colour. I'm quite happy with that. So pop them under the lamp for me for 30 seconds please. So now I'm going to go in with the white, do the same, adding a bit more details. When you're in the sea sometimes you get like all that foam. Dipping in the wipe off solution, I like that, that's a bit of me. I'm going to add some white on this, around the waves, along the top, using some of the wipe off solution, just to like blend it through. Just when I'm looking like crashing waves, I think this will look really effective once I'm done. It'd be really good for like salons, how quickly you could get them done. If you're not very like technical, you don't really like doing much art, again this would be really easy because it's not that much detail going on. It's just dragging your brush through, taking product off, adding a bit more product. I'm just like stippling the brush a little bit just so it looks like bits of the waves starting to come off. Go back and add a bit in this. Love. And just add in some more white in here where it's going to be pushing up towards the sand. So just a bit more of the wipe off solution. I'm just literally making it up as I go. Pop a bit more product there. Right, pop them under 30 seconds please. So using Glass Heart. Just dragging it through. Because these ones are all wet still, so I'm not going to cure them yet. I'm just going to go in with the sandy colour. Moroccan Tan. And again, just kind of dragging the colour up. Obviously the white's cured, so I know I'm good there. Using the wipe off, just blending through. And I am just going to add a bit of white, just mixing it in slightly. So pop them under for 30 seconds, please. Use the Urban Graffiti top coat. I'm gonna seal that design in. And obviously I've left my thumbs, as I always do, because I like to do my thumbs separately, just in case the product decides to drip off the sides. It probably wouldn't, the lamps are good enough to cure, but I don't want to take the chance of somebody having thumbs that are sat a little bit more rounded. Pop them under for 60 seconds, please. Right, so I'm going to start the thumb, the Urban Graffiti top coat. Pop that under for a minute, please. So now that is top coated, I can go in with the Moroccan sand. Well, it's Moroccan Tan, but I'm using it as sand, so I'm going to call it Moroccan sand. Use the wipe off solution, same as before. I'm going to flash cure that, so I'm just going to pop that in for 10 seconds. Load my brush up with Snow White. Do the same thing as before, so just add in a small amount of the white wipe off solution. Just gives the design a little bit more depth, really. Right, pop that under, another 10 seconds. Now I'm going to draw a palm tree. I've loaded my brush up. I'm going to start from the base, just drag up the nail. One sweep, and another sweep. Do the same on the other side. It looks like an umbrella. Go in and just drag in some of that product. Flash that for 10 seconds, please. Because I've got a top coat on, it is doing the same as like what the water was doing, just like dispersing. So I'm going to do a couple of layers just to build it up. And I'm going to do some little coconuts, see if they've fallen out a little bit. Pop it under 30 seconds, please. Now when you're happy with the design, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat, seal it in. I'm going to pop that under for a minute. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the pink pineapple cuticle oil, rehydrate the nails, and it smells amazing. It makes me want a pina colada. There we've got a lovely set. Dead simple, quick, easy, definitely salon speed set of holiday nails. Little palm tree, crashing waves, love them. So I hope you enjoyed the video and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!